Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get DeepSeek API Key. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for DeepSeek. From the search results, open the official DeepSeek website. Once the website opens, look for API access and click on it. You'll now see the login page. If available, select Login with Google. Choose your Google account and complete the login process. After signing in, you'll be taken to the API dashboard. Now, look at the left sidebar and click API Keys. On this page, you'll find a Create New API Key button. Click it to create a new key. Enter a name for your API key. You can choose any name that helps you remember what you'll use the key for. And there you go! Your DeepSeek API key is ready. You'll see it in the key column. You can copy the key and use it with applications or tools that support the DeepSeek API. One important tip, never share your API key publicly. Treat it like a password. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials.